Oh, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to our channel MJ22 Adventures.
Good morning.
Shout out everyone, greetings from the Philippines. So amigo Jan Dolahait, thank you. And to JBG Travels, pangas kay tabukid, da kay tarasyon tamo lagtos. So our bike got a major repairs for the clutch lining, and not all parts are being replaced because we don't have the exact budget, but all the linings are new. But the two hubs, inner, the one that's inside is needs to be changed, but we put it back to use it. So now the power gets back, but according to the mechanic it needs to be changed another way. So we are going to Claveria and try to test the power of our bike, if it could climb that uphill. So we suffered power loss even here in the city, me and MJ going home and taking that not so steep incline portion. So we have to shift to the first gear in order to climb up. So we basically lose power. That's why we need to change, and the mechanic found out that the clutch lining is worn out. So that's it. We will try to test our bike to climb a so incline uphill. So once again, good morning. MJ is with me, and there we go. Say hi to the fans.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning.
So where are we going to buy some milk?
I don't know.
Pharmacy?
I thought we'll be dropping by at Rotonda, Tomasaco.
Here. How about here?
We don't have groceries
Do
here.
you have milk? So dili ta dire?
No, not here.
Okay. So aman ta dapat.
Ubon na lang siguro ta.
Okay.
Kaya dagan option.
So shout out to John Dolahait, amigo, maayong gabi.
Maayong buntag from Cagayan de Oro.
So Miss Bev, hello.
Hi, Miss Bev. Kumusta?
So time check 9 a.m. and we're going to the Bukid to bring TJ some milk.
That was actually one bus. Nung day, one was the oldest store in Cagayan de Oro.
Oh. So na kahapit pa gina yung mga shoe repair shop, oh. Pa-repair ako din sa sapatos, karaan nga po nila ni nga Mga UI sapatos, Jerburha.
They're called zapatero, like.
Yes, zapatero. Sapatos means shoes. So in English, zapatero, shoesero. Here we go, here we go. So later on we will install our GoPro Max to capture the beauty and scenery in the bukid. Di na ta mag-ororama.
Ikaw.
But I'll have to wait you outside. Kanang drop and go lang.
Those
Ha?
or Kevin.
Na sila ikatas dito sa dolls.
Maybe.
Pangutan na lang. Diretso. Okay?
Okay. You have cash?
No?
How come you don't have cash?
Wala ta ka withdraw. That's why I ask you to buy it on the pharmacy because they will accept card. Or the big groceries. Yes, ano na lang. I'll wait for you.
Dugay kay diya. Nagkan kay tao diya. Kaya sa anong pagkadi mong pilion of all?
So asa man dapit imong preferred nga dito ta.
Try diri oh. Na grocery aning Rose.
I could wait outside. Oh, mainit kayo mga suon.
Pasok suod.
Unya bundak dining ulan. Ang sayo mi aron sayo ra mi maguli. Di mi magpahapon dito kay ulan. Although nami dala raincoat pero makapoy. Sige suot. So alalay lang among dagat. Pero kumbati.
Wala ginay man sa kanunay.
Yeah, but our motorbike runs smoothly.
Pera usok. Pera buyag.
Our mechanic friend is very good. He knows what he's doing. He really knows his job.
He's good at what he do.
Yes. So shout out to 96.
Shout out KJ Boscano.
KJ Buscano, Ken, our mechanic, authorized mechanic of Honda motorcycles, Cagayan de Oro. So we miss the days when we used to ride our motorcycles and go anywhere vlogging. But because of what had happened with MJ and so with me, that prevents us from doing the rides most probably every time we have vacant. So now we barely had a chance to take a long ride. But now we had a chance. God allows us to have a good day and feeling good. So we're going to the bukid. Say hello and hi to Amy Aids, Michael Marion, Adam Pierce, buddy, hello. Bev Wenzel, of course. JD.
Yo, Everett.
So it's a go, it's a go, it's a go, go, go.
Oh my God, I hate that.
Don't worry. Weather is so hot and our motorcycle don't have air condition.
Sure po.
When can they invent a motorcycle with air conditioning? So shout out sa among mga higala pod nga sekreto ra nga gapananaw sa among mga videos nga dili ag comment. Okay lang.
Nga po yung man, manghiring ra.
Ang uban pod manghiring lang kung asa mi nakaabot.
Ang marites.
Mga marites ug mga maritos. So shout out sa among family friend of Davao City, Bongbi nga kanunay pananaw. Full support.
And to his beautiful wife. Po namin.
So sa amo pong mga fans sa Facebook nga pila ra taon kabuk ag comment pero ang views medyo daghan-daghan. Daghan mga maritis. But
Shout out sa Facebook fan nga top man. Miss Bev. Always contributing to Osher. What do you call that?
engagement.
Engagement. Yeah.
So I really miss this feeling of riding our motorcycle and engaging the nature. Engaging? Yeah, because we are just staying at home. Sige lang, mugtok. Di pakatok-tok. So, tambag ko lang sa inyo mga higala kung naamoy higayon chance nga makalaag gala birada mintras kaya pa kay dili nato katagan ang dagan sa panahon. So enjoy while you can. I had a teacher once in high school and she literally tapped my shoulder and said sa Bisaya pa, pag suroy-suroy mintras imo tiil dili pa ag panghawi. So in English, go and explore the world while your feet can move, no heart. Is that so? Yeah, how can you travel the world if your feet aches? Something like that. So travel the world, see the beautiful places,
Let's
meet.
make it simple. Travel the world while
Yes, meet some beautiful people. Beautiful people.
Immerse in new cultures.
Okay, me first. Thank you. So while you can while you're not sick, if you have a chance, go out.
While you can breathe freely without injuring pain.
As long as you don't do some harm to other people. Have fun and make memories. After all, we only live once.
No one.
So turn your volume up to the right, so
I can actually hear you clearly.
you cannot hear me clearly. Hello, check mic test. Hello.
I said I can hear you clearly.
You can hear me, but I want you to turn on your volume up so the GoPro can pick it up.
Hello. Oh, how sleepy. Sa Tanan, Cagayanon, happy long day ahead. Happy Saturday, everyone.
Cagayan de Oro City will be having a long month Higalaay festival celebration, and
Actually, it was launched last night.
and the fiesta of Saint Augustine is on the 28th of this month, but the local government is making or celebrating it the long month.
There's a lot of programs and festivities lined up.
Some activities along the way, so hopefully we can cover and show it to you. Like the other year, last year we covered a civic parade.
And the fluvial.
Hopefully we still can cover it. So stay tuned, guys, and watch out for the videos. So nangyari dito,
The usual Puerto traffic.
nagsiminto sila sa gilid. Okay. So is he parking over there or what? Okay, he's waiting.
No, we're still in Tablon pa pala. Not very on Puerto.
Sunod sa Tablon is Pinidos.
Ugusal.
Shout out to Ryan As. Sira ba
Shout
to?
out to my cousin in Agusan, Tinao, Cagayan de Oro City, Tinao, Agusan.
Sige ra ba to ingon nga rides na ta eh. Baiton tara to sunod. motorcycle, we had a major repair like the clutch lining set and some air filter, change oil, and the front shock oil seal. Of course, new fork oil replaced. What else?
I can't really help you with that.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Some rings, O-rings, or a lot of things has been done with Miley, so that's why he runs smoother than the previous week. So we used to ride a bus like this one when we go to the Bukid, to TG, and it took us about an hour and a half to reach there because of the traffic, and of course it picks up some passengers along the way. So the difference if you have your own way of, or your own transportation like motorcycle or car.
A car will much better.
Yeah, a car is much better because it has air condition, unlike motorcycle that do have.
I'm really challenging myself because I'm soaking myself under the heat.
Yeah, because MG supposed to be not be exposed to direct heat of the sun, but we don't have no choice. We don't have a car. The sponsorship doesn't hear us.
Ano daw, best?
Oh. So we have to endure the heat of the sun.
It's okay. I can manage.
You can manage it.
Somehow, I have to.
Maho na yung clutch lining, oh. Okay guys, welcome to the town proper of Villanueva,
Misamis Oriental.
the gateway to the Bukid, Claveria, and going to Hingoob. they are constructing something. So here we go, we will try our Miley to climb up to Claveria.
Let's go, Miley. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, Miley. 40% na lang ko, Daddy.
Iyay. Sige lang. Try to look on the other side if we can see that
Ha?
bamboo window, your bamboo blinds. If na atay makita para mapangutana na doon niya pagbalik.
I don't see any.
If wala din, that's fine. Let's try this.
Let's not try it. Let's make it.
Okay.
We're way too far from home.
Yeah, Miley can make it. Nag-overtake Brad. Pangas man may liter, sira kanina. Third gear. So just to
Oh, Nuki, where are you going? She's running so fast. Go, Miley, take us up.
yes, he can. Natural mo pa ang asta pero look at him, dili siya ka
Yeah.
That's the difference between one.
Okay.
Nag-swing.
Uy. PK man imo korbada Brad, dini magid ka nag backing siya kadi kapangas maybe. Maintain some distance, tagaig time. Ano to Brad, di ka pangas? Di ka pangas?
Ha?
Di ka pangas?
Hindi.
Nagbakig lang toyo.
Di sa ka dili.
Lagi dili nakapangas.
Dili ka saka.
Di mga saka kay bilang man ang karga.
Di isa ka sa bot pangan.
Dili ka saka.
Oo, isa ka.
Mo nang balik na lang.
Oo, balik na lang.
Lagi.
May grabe dyan ang ahon.
Mayo, mayo. Sige, sige. So, they decided not to continue because their truck can't climb up. So, parang Tagalog dito siya.
Wa sa kasabot sa pangas. Di ka balik-balik ka pangas, di ka pangas.
Ahon gani iyang ingon. Kay dili siya kuan. Tagalog siya, kaya ahon niyang term. Kaya kung Bisaya siya, kabalo siya sa pangas or saka. So here we go, guys. Claveria it is. Pero lahi na gid ang pwersa sa katong brand new gid siya. Pangas sa dinig kwarta, naka fourth gear or third gear. Lahi gid siya, pero ang pwersa pa kayo duha ka.
Yay!
Kuan ra man ang dagat. Manageable ra man.
Made it, Miley.
Ano pwede ko magpulhot dani pero
No. Go, Miley, go, Miley. Fun.
welcome to Claveria! Ha?
Ah!
Ay, good job. Pag-overtake.
Claveria na dyan siya kay bugnaw ng nampi sa hangin.
Bugnaw na ang all.
Ah, nice.
day kuan. Kuan na day nag-record sa ning
GoPro.
GoPro sa helmet. GoPro.
Wala nag-record?
I don't know. I can't see if it's still red blinking. Nag-blink pa din na may red. So good.
Malapit na tayo. Sinakita ko na yung tangki.
Wala pa takabot patrocinio.
Malapit, sabi ko man lang malapit na tayo.
Naam.
Huh?
Kahit brum brum.
Grabe, grabe.